Hey guys, I just got back from the gymnastics place because I have this camp that I do a lot, but yeah, I just got back from the gymnastics place. I do not know why I'm going in my bathroom.
I need to go.
I am. Alright. Now I'm in my sister's room. What the heck? It's so bright.
I know.
But yeah, today I'm thinking about doing some slow motion things. I don't know. It'll be pretty cool. Desiree, knock it off, please. Whoa, what the heck is that?
My room. It's a sponge.
Okay. But yeah, this should be really fun. That terrible glare.
Do you wanna hear my piano?
Yeah, do you want to hear my sister play piano?
That's my best.
I could do some pretty good stuff.
Do you want me to hold that for you?
No.
Jingle bells. There. You should show this. It says I was here. I never wrote that.
Yeah, you did. That's your handwriting.
No, I did not. I did not.
That's
write
actually
that.
creepy. What the heck? Did my elf do that or something? I don't know.
I think he did when I was in Grandma's room. That's weird.
Oh yeah. Remember that killer clown video thing? I think my dad saw that same killer clown in my field. I don't know. Because my field's actually huge. Hold on, let me show you it over here. That's bright. Hold on. Wait, let the phone get used to it. Yeah, that's my field. It's huge. Here, I'm gonna go. You know what I think? You know what? I don't know. I have this weird feeling that someone's watching me. I don't know why. Since that clown thing, that's weird, dude. That's creepy. I don't know. It's like all quiet and everything. Just listen. Yeah, it's like all quiet. It's so weird. Swishy hand. What was that? Bro, are you hearing this right now? Did you just hear that? Dude, that's weird. No one's here, dude. That's just freaky. Sorry about that clicking sound. It's a little cord. Hey, Dustin. Oh, thanks.
Ooh, selfie stick.
Yeah, I've been hearing weird sounds. Like, my uncle usually doesn't make any sounds. I mean, he just made some coffee, but like, I just heard him knocking on the wall. Did you hear that? That's creepy. Yeah, dude, that's creepy. What the heck? Dude, I don't know if if this is someone or bro. That's, oh my gosh. Desi, are you hearing those sounds right now? No? Okay. I don't think my sister hears that. Bro, that's insane. I don't even know. Oh, kids choir thing. I had to see what the paper was. It's just really quiet. Let's listen and see if any. What the heck? Let's listen and see if any more of those sounds will happen. Let's just be quiet. I'm just kind of walking around. Dude, are you guys seeing this right now? This is complete whack. I don't even know what's going on. Oh my gosh, dude. This is weird. Desi, be quiet. I'm hearing weird sounds. Let's go see if Jimmy's here. No, Desi, it's not Jimmy. Dude, it's like people are throwing stuff. And there's like no one here. Here, I'll let you watch this video whenever I upload it. Dude, this is insane. Go check in Grandma's room. No, Desi, just go by the door.
You have to come with me.
Alright, I'll come.
You go.
Okay.
That wasn't there.
Did you guys hear that? Hold on, dude. Now it's completely silent in this house. That just scared me. Dude, did you hear that? That was footsteps. And no one's in the house right now. What the heck? Dude, that was footsteps. Don't close the door. Alright, I'm gonna go. Alright, let's not even go. I'm just gonna go, okay? Hi. Alright, that was just my uncle. Dude, that scared me. I thought my uncle was downstairs. Oh my gosh. Alright, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. Peace. See you tomorrow.